Welcome again on my channel Digital Toolcase. I'm Chris, and today I want to talk about ClosersCopy and show you how you can structure an outline, an article, or any kind of outline, even a book one, using AI with this AI assistant. But before, let's talk about ClosersCopy price because it has increased. Now it's 427 for the one-time unlimited lifetime plan. As I said before, the more you wait, if you want to purchase this app, the more you will pay because the price increases quite every month, and now it's 427. It's still a good price because it's unlimited and you can use it lifetime. But as I said, the price keeps increasing. So just to have convenience, you may choose to take the chance now. Here, below the video you can find in the description my link. It's an affiliate link, but I can give you a discount if it's still active, so you may check the link and try for yourself ClosersCopy for 30 days by purchasing it, and you have a 30 days money back guarantee with no question asked. So I know there's no trial. Many people would like to try it without paying, but there's no problem because if you don't like it, you can easily ask for a refund and you will have your money back. Okay, we are now inside the ClosersCopy. As you can see, I prepared this example of an article in this case, but as I said, you can use the same principle if you want to write, for example, an ebook. Someone asked me in the comments of another video if I can make an example with an ebook, for example, or some kind of Kindle book. But the principle is the same because a Kindle book, it's an ebook, it's made by generating an outline. This is the first thing you need to do. You have to do your research about the topic, or maybe you are already an expert. You can make your research about keywords if you want, but then you need to structure your ebook or your article by creating an outline. I want to do it for this video with the frameworks because I created two custom frameworks. And these are H2s Outline and H3s Outline. I will share these in a ClosersCopy community after this video, so you can use them and see if you like them. Maybe they are not perfect, but I can always update them in case it's needed. So let's try. When you write an article or an ebook or any content, you start with your H1. In this case, it's the title, and you start with an introduction. Now, I will not write an entire introduction, but this is just a structure. Then you will need to generate your H2s, in case we are talking about a blog article, or maybe chapter titles if you are writing an ebook. So it's the same concept, it's the same thing. Let's try to use this topic, benefits of walking every day, and generate some H2s. I will try to let this value to 73, and let's see in just a few seconds how is the output. I found that speed of outputs is slightly increased in last days with ClosersCopy. Health benefits of walking every day: exercise, stress, weight loss, improve self-esteem, improve quality of life, improve brain function. Why should I walk every day? The benefits of walking daily. How to start walking every day. Tips for successful walking every day. I like this one because our H2s don't need to be too specific. Imagine you are writing an ebook, a Kindle book, and imagine this can be your chapters. So, chapter 1, why should I walk every day? Chapter 2, the benefits of walking daily. Chapter 3, how to start walking every day. Chapter 4, and so on. So, again, the concept is exactly the same. The difference, I think, it's the length of the content, the entire content. But let's say these are our H2s, so I make these ones as H2s. These two, why should I walk every day? The benefits of walking daily may be too much similar. Let's see if there's something else. Benefits, tips to improve the power of movement. The power of rest. Walking is an exercise. Walking is free. Walking everywhere. These are too specific. Let's let's leave it like this, just to see how it goes. Now, here we will have our conclusion. And this can be, it's quite small, but can be our outline, H2's outline. Now let's go again in library and let's use this time H3's outline. When you write an article, a blog article, H3's usually goes under H2s. This is a good SEO structure. So H1, the article title, H2s are the main subtopics, and H3s are the more specific ones, and they goes under H2s. With this paragraph, why should I walk every day? I don't really need H3s, but here I can use this framework, H3's outline, because here the benefits of walking daily, I want to generate some kind of list of benefits. So I just need to copy my H2 and paste it here, the benefits of walking daily. And let's try again to click on write for me. I leave it to 73 in the creative area, and let's see our output: health, fitness, weight management, exercise, energy. It is healthy, it improves your mood, it's cheaper than a gym, healthier, happier life, walking can improve your mood, self-esteem and general outlook on life. Okay, these are very specific one. Let's say I want to use this one now, just for the sake of this video example. This was an H2. Okay. So this can be our H3s, for example. Let's pretend we like them. Now, I just want to make a quick video, so I don't go very specific. But just to let you see, if you are writing an ebook, a Kindle book, where you have this chapter, the benefits of walking daily, you can divide your chapter in these list and then write something about any of these H3s. You can do it by yourself, you can do it with AI, you can do it starting by yourself and then letting the AI algorithm go on your content. Again, how to start walking every day? Here I don't need a real H2s outline, but here maybe I need it because I talk about tips, so I need another list of something. So I copied this one, I paste it here, and let's see if ClosersCopy gives us some tips for successful walking every day, some good ideas. Okay, waking up and getting ready in the morning, breakfast, walking time, meal time, and exercise is going to bed. Start with a brisk walk. This can be a good tip. I can even mix my outputs. I don't need to copy all these. Maybe I like this one. I like also this tip. Choose the right shoes can be another one. Okay, let's place it here. Choose the right place. Choose the right clothes can be another one. Start with an easy 10-minute walk. I can use maybe this one. It's more specific than this. Here, okay. I can try to low down this value here to 30, for example, generate some more. If you have the unlimited plan, you can generate and generate and generate until you want. There's no limit. This is the best thing of having an unlimited app like this for the lifetime. Set the goal, get started, take the stairs, walk more. Take the stairs can be even another good tip. In this case, let's say like this. Okay. You have the right clothes, use the right equipment, choose the right route, what to wear. As you can see, they are slightly different outputs. Walk with a pet can be, this also can be a good tip. Now, just for the sake of this video, I will stop here. And these are our H3s in this paragraph. As you can see, I created a structure. Then, when you have a structure like this and you like it and you think it's quite complete, you can start by writing. So here you will write your introduction, you will talk about why should I walk every day. With a structure like this, you will be really fast in writing your article because you already divided the various topics, subtopics about what you want to write. And again, this is real for a blog article, but even with an ebook or an entire book or something similar, the concept is exactly the same. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you in this quick video. I will share my two frameworks in the community, so if you have a ClosersCopy you can try them. If you don't have a ClosersCopy, again, price is increased and will increase again until the lifetime plan will not be available anymore. So take your chance, you can purchase it, try it for 30 days with a 30 days money back guarantee, so no problem if you don't like it. you can receive your money back. You can find the link here in the description. You can even find my special discount if it's still available. So the fastest you act and the better you will serve. This is for sure. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon in another one.